Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a fun way to combine adductor rocking with head rotations. So just in case you don't remember, this is rocking, and adductor rocking is sticking your leg out like a kickstand beside you, and this is a wonderful way to discover your adductor muscles or your groin muscles. Groin? And again, you don't want to be aggressive here, but you do want to be curious and explore. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add head rotation into this. So I'm going to look around like I'm trying to find my back pockets. And I'm really finding my adductors in a different way. And then I'm coming back and I'm going to find my other back pocket. This feels less curious on this side. More curious, relievingly less curious. But this is a great way to activate the vestibular system in a different way and to gently explore and give some loving affection to our adductor muscles. And of course, we don't want to leave the other side out. Again, this is the rocking portion, or adductor rocking. And this is the adding in the head rotation portion. And it's interesting how just rotating around like that actually makes your adductor feel like, instead of being from here to here, it goes all the way down. It's weird how that works. But that's it. That's the kickstand adductor rocking position with head rotation to further explore your groin muscles. Give that a shot, but why? Why would you want to do this? Because exploring all the ways your body can move and hitting it at different angles is a way to discover new things about your body, but also give everything a little bit of attention that doesn't normally get attention. And again, the more ways we move, the more we engage in our design, the better off we are and the more options we build, and we tell our brain, hey, I love these parts, I want these parts, I want to keep these parts. Can you keep these parts for me? Because here they are. So how about you know that they're here because I'm using them, and you let me keep them. Anyway, that's pretty much kind of how it works, the economics of the body. But give that a shot, adductor rocking. I'm sorry, I've not had coffee yet, which is weird, right? I am Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification.